What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play White Wine by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, once you get done with the video, make sure you check the description below. I've left a free ebook there for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go get your free ebook, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright, you guys, this is a really fun song to play. You're starting out in standard tuning, capo on your first fret. Your chords are going to be, your first chord is a C. It's going to be ring finger on your 3rd fret on your A string, middle finger 2nd fret on your D string, index finger 1st fret on your B string. Next chord is you're taking your ring finger off and you're moving your middle finger to your 2nd fret on your A string, and you're leaving your index finger on that 1st fret on your B string. Next chord, keep those 2 fingers right where they are and just add your ring finger to that 3rd fret on your low E string. Then you're going to an E minor, which is your middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. And then you're going to a G, leave that middle finger on your 2nd fret on your A string, ring finger 3rd fret E string, pinky finger 3rd fret high E string. So slowly your chords look like this. So you beginners might run into an issue with the strumming pattern here because it is just a little bit different, but like I said, once you get it down, it's very fun to play. It just takes a little bit of practice. So you're starting out on your C, and you're playing a simple down, down, up, down, up. That's on your C chord. So down, down, up, down, up. Now the next 2 chords are just transition chords, and what I mean by that is you're just playing them kind of quickly as you get to the E minor. For both of them, you're playing down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up. So starting with your C, it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, E minor. So each one by itself is just a simple down, down, up. And on the down, the first down is when you're switching. So again, slowly, down, down, up, switch, down, down, up, switch, down, down, up, switch. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. When you get to your E minor, you're doing another down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. And the same thing for your G. Down, down, up, down, up. E minor again is down, down, up, down, up, switch. Down, down, up, down, up. So from the beginning, slowly, it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If there's any comments or questions or concerns or any songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave that in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.